All right, today we're going to take this old coolant reservoir off, and the new one has a sensor mount built into it, and we believe that's what's bad, so we're going to replace it. We already drained the fluid. We're going to put the new one on there. It's not leaking or anything, but we're getting a bad temperature reading, although there's nothing wrong with the temperature, so we're going to replace the coolant reservoir. All right, as you can see now, we've got the coolant reservoir out. We got the new one right here with the new sensor connection on it, of course, which is the reason we think we got this one anyway. So we've got one hose here to connect, one hose here, and I've taken the bracket off of it for right now. That was a real booger to get this big one off. And then we've got another one right over, let's see. Got a third one that we've gotten out of the way, and now we can't find it. Or did we? Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. So 3 is going to be here. So this is the top one, and then the next one on the side, and then the big one on the bottom that really feeds everything. And then the electrical connection put out of the way here. So what we'll do is we'll get the new coolant tank, we'll put the electrical connection on, followed by, in reverse order that we took it off, we'll put the big one on with a clamp here, which is going to be this big clamp like this. We're going to slide it on here and then put it on. We'll use these big pair of pliers here to depress the clamps so we can slide the hoses on. Now these ones I didn't take off, be a bit easier. They're smaller, they're easier to deal with, as you can see, but the big one, that's a big boy right there. So all right, I'll show you the video when we're done here. All right, we got our connections here and here, you can see, let's see there, and then that big clamp, which gives a little bit of trouble, and then the sensor is here, you can see here, right there. Make sure that was on. We got filled up. We're a little, I wouldn't say we're short. We're probably on the low end, a minimum right there. So we're gonna go buy a little bit more European antifreeze and put it in there. And then the other mountain screw is here. It also fits into some slots down here on both sides. All in all, the mission has been completed.